How to log in to Axis Bank credit card account online. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create Login Delete, and without further ado, let's get started. Open up your Chrome, and at the search bar you want to type www.axisbank.com. Once you have done that, you'll see this page. Now tap onto the human icon on the top. If you are using a personal login, then go to personal, and if it's a business login, go to Neo for business. For now, I'm gonna tap into personal login. At this page, enter your login ID or customer ID and your password. And once you enter the captcha at the bottom, go to login. It will show you this page. Again, at this page, enter your debit card number and your ATM PIN. And once you solve this captcha, you will get an OTP. And lastly, after entering your OTP, tap onto login. And this is how you get logged into your Axis Bank account. So that will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and do subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.